Greetings, programs. I've got another unboxing for you today, and it is for the Steelbook to Quentin Tarantino's Kill Bill Volume 1 and Volume 2 on Blu-ray. Here's the front. Here's the spine. Here's the back. So yeah, let's get on with unboxing this bad boy. Sorry, I have to bring it. Okay. Here's the back, minus the J card. Here's the front again. Here's the spine. And also, whilst you're looking at that, the extras for Kill Bill Volume 1 is 2 discs, by the way. So the extras for Kill Bill Volume 1 are Making of Featurette 5, 6, 7, 8, performed by Jane Mansfield and I'm Blue. Kill Bill Volume 2 teaser, Kill Bill Volume 1 teaser, and Kill Bill Volume 1 trailer. For the extras of Kill Bill Volume 2, Making of Kill Bill Volume 1, Kill Bill Volume 2, premiere, Chingon performance, and deleted scenes. So there you have it. Let's open this up. And here you have, this is Volume 1, if I'm not, yeah, Volume 1. And Volume 2. And that's the inside. Yeah, so there you have it. That's my unpackaging for Kill Bill Volume 1 and Volume 2 on Blu-ray, Steelbook Blu-ray. It's slightly different to what I had on DVD, which are the limited edition is it Chinese versions with the black and white scenes being done in color. Yeah, I know it will not have that on the Blu-ray, so I might just hang on to this. I also have this for Volume 2, the limited edition Chinese version. Yeah, it also has the extended anime sections in the films as well. Don't think it will be on here, but I'll just hang on to these two just in case. Who knows, maybe sometime down the line they will do one. They would release that particular version in Asia, and hopefully it will be a Region B Blu-ray. And sorry, before I forget, it's also a Region B Blu-ray. It's a Region B locked, so you can only play this in the UK and most of Europe. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos. Tron lives.